Hi everyone, I'm Jehanya from SNS Academy and today I'm going to speak about how to overcome the phobia towards organic chemistry. Actually, organic chemistry is very interesting part of chemistry. It's actually like maths. If you understand the basics, it's very easy to learn and things get very easy to remember when you follow some of the tricks. So in this video, I'm going to tell about how to eradicate or take away your phobia for organic chemistry. So when you take hydrocarbons, mainly we need to know about the carbon. So carbon, when you take carbon, its valency is 4. So valency is nothing but the combining power of any atom. How it can combine with other elements. Okay. So when you take carbon, it has a valency of 4 and it can accommodate 4 more electrons in its outer shell. So whenever you study about the organic chemistry that is coming up to hydrocarbons, it mainly consists of hydrogen and carbon, and most of the cases the hydrogen will be replaced by some other element. It may be a halogen, it may be another functional group. So we need to know the basic structures of the carbon chain. So when you take the hydrocarbon, it may be a straight chain. Okay, so when you take the carbon has a valency of 4. So the central carbon can be attached to 4 other elements. So a simple hydrocarbon chain will contain how much of a carbon is there. So according to that, the hydrogen will be attached. So carbon chain, if you have a single carbon, it will be 4 hydrogens that is attached around it. CH4, methane, simple one. And C2H8. So how it H6, how it comes, central 2 carbons will be attached to each other, and the remaining, how much it will be? It will be 3 valency, 3 more to be accommodated for each carbon. So it will be 3 hydrogen for the first carbon and 3 hydrogen for the second carbon. So C2H6, because already the carbon in the straight chain is attached to another carbon. They are sharing their electrons among themselves. So it is a straight chain. So the when it comes for C3, then it comes H8. 2 more carbons will 2 more hydrogens will be attached to the central carbon, because the central carbon it is attached to one side with another carbon and the other side. So it goes on increasing like this. So when it is having a single bond, we call it as the saturated hydrocarbon chain. It's called the saturated hydrocarbon chain because all the electrons are satisfied for the carbon. So it does not have a double bond. So it is called as an alkane series. So the naming will be propane, butane, hexane, pentane, ANE series we call. That is, we call it as a, we'll be having a straight chain and everything will be satisfied with hydrogen except for the carbons which are attached to each other. So we call it as the alkane series. The next one is the alkene series, where there will not be enough of hydrogen. So what will happen in the normal alkane chain, each carbon will be sharing only 1 electron of, so it will be shared like that. It will have only 1 single bond. But when you come to the alkene series, when the carbons are attached to each other, they'll have a double bond. Ethylene, ethene, methane, like that it goes on. So it is the hydrocarbons which are having double bond. Then the next series we call it as the alkyne series. Alkyne series means they'll have triple bonds in them, where the extra need for the electron is being shared between the carbons themselves which are present in the chain. That we call it as the alkyne series. Okay, and it may be a straight chain or it may be a branched chain. And there will be functional groups attached. For example, OH means alcohol group. Double bond O means keto group. CHO means aldehyde group. So it goes on like that. So if you are remembering about the main skeletal structure of the hydrocarbons, it will be very easy to remember the structure as well as the names, how they are named. So in the next video, we will be seeing about how the names come and how actually the bonding happens. Thank you.